Hey guys, so today, second day of the trade review, and I took quite a bit of trades today. Like most of them are smaller losses, but around like half of them are pretty unnecessary. Let's just get straight into it. And first we have MP, which is a pretty nice daily setup. It just got like broke out of this base here in continuation, and I thought I would just flag on this 3 minute. I entered on this retest right here and it didn't work out. Stopped out. Whatever. This one is a trade I will take, but yeah. And then the second one we have NVDA. I tried to do a pre-market high retest and I kind of let's go through the daily first. This one's yesterday's. This is flag daily flag break and continuation. So when it got above the pre-market high, I tried to get a retest and the 8 EMA, but I was kind of too hasty. I didn't really wait for a wick or anything. I entered on this candle here, and it just basically stopped me out for like a small scratch loss. And I entered one contract. I even at my full position yet. And then we have MU. This is kind of a dumb trade also. I waited for the candle here, and I tried entering on this candle, and it just did not work out. I got stopped off for really small, like 5%. I think I should have just like waited for a little bit more confirmation, like at least a doji candle on this, and then flag up. Yeah, and then it just kind of chopped today. And looking at the daily also, it's also kind of extended, so I expected to chop a little bit, and yeah, got chopped out today. And this is the main thing on ASTS. So ASTS has a gap here. Ignore the PNL stuff. Gap here, and then it got in the gap today and broke through the base. And I took this first 3-minute 8 EMA retest, and I entered on the tap here and on the options premium also. And I also added a little bit on the second candle. I saw it close above the 8 EMA, and it worked. I did not trim here, which is a very big mistake from my part, because the spreads are really bad. And I ended up just wanting it to go to fill the whole gap, and I just kept holding. And I think I was CBCing on the options premium. I got stopped out like here, just for it to like go down and go higher. It would have been like probably a 50% trade also. But this one is basically, mistake was not trimming at the high of day, and then just not letting my runners work. And then on this setup, this is on the 10-minute. I basically waited for like an hour here. I entered on this retest, and I should have known it was kind of choppy, and like these candles were like flagging above the 8 as it just doesn't retest. It retests nice here, the impulse candle, and it just did not want to like finish filling the gap and just went back to the 20 EMA. And I should have knew at this point like to re-enter. I didn't hit it. It was like afternoon hours. Yeah, it's basically a 30-minute 8 EMA retest, and got stopped off for small also. And the last trade we have is SMCI. It's on the 3-minute also, I believe. I kind of wanted to take a 3-minute 8 EMA retest because it was so strong off the open. Because if we look at the daily setup, it's continuation. It's continuing. It's basically kind of like MU, and it retested the 8 EMA, but it doesn't even count as a retest at this point. It basically just knifed through the 8 EMA, and I kind of entered here. I was trying to fish the options, but I was a little bit too hasty, seeing the flag up here, and just the candle dropped way too hard. And next time I should just wait for a better consolidation, especially on these markets. QQQ was kind of choppy earlier in the day. I should have just waited like later when it started to trend a little bit. It's not even that trendy, yeah. It's like kind of meh today. Yeah. So small loss again, but kind of annoying. Just all the small scratches turn like a small green to like a small red day. And I think that's all the trades for today. And honorable mention for today would be MicroStrategy. I was scanning this pre-market also, but I was too hung up on the bullish bias on the whole market. But MicroStrategy had a really nice like bearish setup. It kind of flagged a little bit previous days here, and they gapped down, and it basically retested the AEME on the 3-minute nice all the way to the lows, and it also gave us a 10-minute AEMA retest, which are two plays that would have worked out anyways. And yeah, let me know. That's the trade for today, and let me know what else do you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see like more trade reviews or anything? Yeah, leave it in the comments. All right, see you guys.